Hi everybody, my name is David and this is the Cartoon Fortress YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. And in an effort to continue coverage as best as I can, I am bringing you another release, or rather in this case, a reprint or a reissue of a book from Bitmap Books. One of my favorite publishers. They produce incredible video game history books. That's really the meat and potatoes of what they release. And want to thank that amazing team for sending this book out for review. And so what we have here is a reprint on the Commodore 64, a Visual Compendium. Now, if you compare this to previous compendiums that I've unboxed, you'll notice that this is missing the slip box. Now, the slip box is available for purchase on their site. In fact, they have a, make sure I get this right here, so they have a 3-pack of slip boxes that you can order for the Commodore 64 Visual Compendium, which we have here, also the Commodore Amiga, and then the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. So you can get slip boxes for those three, and they've just newly been reprinted and made available again for purchase. So this is available directly on the Bitmap Books site. I will add a link in the description so that if this is a purchase that you'd like to make, that you can follow that link. It's not an affiliated link. Just trying to do the best I can to get business over to these guys because I'm just so impressed with what they are producing over there. So just a couple of specs on this book. Now, specifically on this reprint, they have added 24 new pages of content. Now, this is a 500-page book, and yeah, with the reprint, they've added new content, so you're actually getting more than the previous version, and just beautiful stitching on the pages here, where they use thread instead of glue, and then you get the really nice bookmark here. You can see you have the red and blue bookmarks, and then just a very attractive cover here, and then we've got the spine, and then some information, just an introduction here to the book on the back. But what I'd like to do is switch over to the other camera so that we can take the shrink wrap off here and show you a few pages on the inside, so that you can be, again, informed if this is a purchase that you would like to make. Now, the cost on this book, so this comes in at about 30 British pounds. And their shipping, as I've stated in previous videos, is second to none. They really go the extra mile in protecting these books so that they don't get damaged in transit. There are big padded bumpers on each corner of the book, and then the book itself is wrapped, and then they have it in a box that's really well protected. So just rest assured excuse me, that you'll receive your book undamaged. They really do go the extra mile. So I tip my hat to them for really going the extra mile and protecting these products for their customers. So let's go ahead and switch over to the other camera and get this beautiful edition unboxed. All right, everybody, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to come by the channel and watch this video. So grateful again to the team over at Bitmap Books for sending this book over for review. It's another beautiful edition that I'm so happy to add to my collection, and really looking forward to upcoming titles from them. I know they've got some really exciting titles. One that's already been announced and that's in, it seems, the final phases of production. And then there are some more reprints that I'm looking forward to bringing into the collection as well. I will do my best to get as much continuing coverage as I can on these releases. I really feel like these guys deserve as much attention as possible, just with the sheer amount of quality releases that they're putting out. And so really grateful for what these guys are doing. I know video game history and classic video game history is something that is near and dear to a lot of people, including myself. So I'm really grateful to see the spotlight being put on that subject in such a wonderful, really exhaustive way. So Bitmap, just keep doing what you guys are doing. I'm absolutely loving everything that you guys are putting out, and yeah, look forward to more coverage on the channel. But if you like this type of thing, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button, the like button, and also the bell icon. That will notify you when I upload new videos in the future. And until next time, my name is David, and I hope you have an awesome day.